Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I found a deal at Ohio Power Tools. If you look up Milwaukee M18 8.0 amp hour or AH, scroll to the bottom, you get the Milwaukee M18 red lithium high output XC8.0 battery, which is 48, 11, 18, 80. It's $149. This battery qualifies for a free item, which is another battery. So if you add this battery to the cart, and then you go to the cart, it gives you a compact 3.0 for free. This battery is 48, 11, 18, 35. And this is a pretty great deal because at Home Depot, it's $20 more. So it's $179 for this 2-pack kit at Home Depot, where you pay $149 at Ohio Power Tool and get the 3 amp hour for free, so you're saving $20. And then if you go to checkout, sign in, best way for ground, UPS, FedEx, or United States Postal Service, that's free. Your total progress totals 162. Yep, $13 in tax, which is not bad. It's $13.70, but that's still way cheaper than the $179 that you would pay for this kit at Home Depot. And Home Depot is going to have the tax of whatever your city or county is. Like for me, it's 8.6%, or it's 8.75%. So, for me, 149. So just say 179. Calculator, 179 plus 8.75%. It's $194. If you were in my area and you bought it at Home Depot, compared to if you physically bought it at Ohio Power Tools. So you're looking at almost $32 cheaper to buy it at Ohio Power Tools. So just a quick video, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will leave a link for this down below as soon as I get this uploaded. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.